Good morning, everybody. Diggerel here. Look who's in the sky. First time in days. Such a hectic day yesterday. It was going brilliant. My Avery arrived. That's Slippers and the wee whiting that just went up there. You're too late and get up with the gang. I think they're just going to climb the thickies today. First time they've been out in days. I've been dying for it. It's a shame, like I said. Woke up. There's a break in the weather. I've not seen my birds flying in ages and they're going to play behind that house. It's always the same. But I was having a great day yesterday, as I was telling you. The Avery arrived. But I ended up, my eldest son taking the wheel. Was in a hospital till 1 o'clock in the morning last night. Oh, there's Slippers and the wee whiting. What is that when he's go? So when I woke up this morning, and I seen there was a break in the weather for an hour, I says I'm letting them out. I've not even checked that's wild birds. There's Boots and Slippers over there and there's a kit. Oh, you try to get up. On you go, you nearly hurt them. Can I tell if it's Boots or Slippers? No, I can't. Boots, sorry, Vinny. Slippers? No, I'm trying to look. It was a whiting. It's a whiting that's caught in with them. And that in there. And that's a wild bird. I could have missed. Slippers could be in there too with the wee whiting. They look as if they come down a bit to catch it, didn't they? Checking that that's a wee whiting on the roof. Probably not get as long with my birds as I want because I can feel the wind. I'll have to get a downpour the day I know, but as long as they want up, they're staying it. Need a couple of them clapping and wings here. A wee whiting's staying off the roof again. It's had its wee rest. It's only its first time out. Because as you kind of been looked up. I can't complain at that, folks. They'll be coming into Lantern and they're climbing now. I'm just staying at a normal height now. I'll just go into the loft because they're just coming down to land. As you'll see, I was moving most of my aviary to up behind my loft there, just so that it doesn't get in the way for walking up and down the path of any accidents. But what I do want to do is go in here and check how the other eggs were. Please, she's just going back in. Right. Let's see if there's two in here today, hen. Let me see. Let me see. Don't know if he can make that out. Aye, he can. There's a wee chip coming. See it? Two wee chips. Oh, I wish you could hear that in the iPad. I just held it up to my ear. That wee thing there is chipping out. I can hear it hitting half it. If I had that's alright, hen, you hit me. If I had let's see this one. Oh, sorry. Oh, that looks like a wee chip just above my thumb there. Oh, this egg here is fighting harder to come out than that other one that I just